So today's video is gonna be a little bit depressing because my engine grenaded, and I believe the culprit was the actual filter. So these are the bearings that I pulled out. I went under the car, took out the oil pan, right on draining the coolant. But yeah, they got so bad that, as you can see, they got squashed. The the only cylinder that was okay, kinda, was the cylinder number 3 or 2, I think it was. That's how it's supposed to look like. Well, it's not good, but it's just how much power I ran through the engine that something got into the motor, so kind of contaminant, and I believe it was. It's honestly was probably my mistake, obviously, because after I changed the turbo, I didn't change the oil. I thought that the filter was gonna filter out everything, and I didn't care. Let's put it that way. But here's the problem, and maybe maybe you guys will learn something about filters. So this is the filter that I bought a year ago or something. That's a washable air filter, water oil filter, and it has a double oil bypass valve in it. So this piece right here, came out. It was basically like right here on top of this, and that goes in there. And then there's another piece which is on the back of the filter that basically closes the hole. So when you let's say running cold, this and the oil is not able to go through the filter, this valve opens up, and then you have a secondary filter. I can't really show you right now, but there's a lot of particles. You can see the shavings. Yeah, so this one, as you can see, the shavings right here, all the brass stuff, and this won't focus. So this one, as you can see, if you notice it, this one has a seal. This one has no seal. So when I opened the engine, I had a piece of seal like sticking out right here. The other part of the seal was still on here, the other half. So I took that out, obviously. Um, but yeah, I believe what happened is somehow this seal went bad. It quit filtering all the oil, possibly some kind of brass shavings or something that was from the previous turbo. Somehow got into the bearings, and that was it. That was enough. And then once I ran all that power through the car, yeah, it it fucked it up. So yeah, initial thought was to get under the car and try to save it. Um, Hold on, let me do another video.